Welcome back to BeautiCo. Happy New Year. So I'm gonna start off with a new series. Now this is gonna be my best of 2019 favorites. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this, but I thought of doing it in a different manner. So I'm gonna be doing a video on each product. Like suppose foundation, there'll be one video, primer, there'll be one video, and like so on and so forth. So these are gonna be separate videos. There are gonna be total of 10 to 12 videos, I suppose. Every day one video is gonna go up. So today I'm gonna be showing you all my best of 2019 favorites, but this one is gonna be all about primers. So let's get started. So 2019, I found two primers that I use every single day. The first one was the Nykas Prep Me Up face primer. This tones, smoothens and perfects skin. Now this particular primer is super duper lightweight. Firstly, it's silicone based. It covers my pores, like it fills in my pores, makes my skin like super duper smooth, on top of which my foundation applies very well, and it makes my entire makeup also last a very long time. So this was a product, as you could see, it's almost over. I have used it that much. I absolutely love this primer. A very good one for dry, normal to oily skin type. So this is a dupe for the primer that I'm going to show you next. This is the Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and glow primer. Now technically both these do the exact same job, you guys. Smooths my skin, fills in my pores, makes my application of foundation super duper easy. The only difference between these two is the price. The price of this is like super duper high and this one is like super duper affordable. Now the only other difference that I found between these two is that this one is just a little bit more lightweight than this one, but once you apply on the skin you won't even feel that difference. This one is a little bit thicker and this one is a little bit thinner. So yeah, these were the two most used primers in 2019. Now I'm gonna go and I'll see you all in the next one, where I'm gonna be showing you all my foundation favorites. Bye!